So it's Monday, it's Haggy here. I hope you had a good weekend. Enjoy your time off. But back to work. Obviously on a Monday is a case of us catching up on the weekend, sort of emails and stuff like that. So we, if you have emailed even, we will be back in touch soon. There is just Thursday in the office at the minute, so I appreciate your patience as well on that. But on the cars, behind us since Pod was cancelled is Parv's monster spec R35, which a lot of you know. We are now prepping this car since now that's been cancelled and obviously we use it on the road. Parv has actually added one of the coolest registrations I think you'll ever see. So I'm going to swing you around the back. Let's have a look at this, guys. So I know there's like a lot of out there which don't claim to be what the car is, but this one here for certain is a 2000 horsepower classified car, and the plate there, look at that, awesome car. So we have Peter's M5 behind us, which is leaving on Wednesday. So he's super excited to get this car. I have been inundated regarding BMW sort of inputs, sort of quotes, sort of questions, stuff like that. Yes, we can get hold of these cars, and yes, they are 9 times out of 10 huge spec cars, much bigger specs than UK equivalents, and most importantly, clean. So like I say, if you want to import or any sort of import car in general, you can get me on at sales at jm-imports.co.uk. But Peter, not long now, mate. So we're here with Chris, the welder, who's prepping the 4-inch exhaust for our shop car at the minute.
Yeah.
And I just came over and I am shocked. I am honestly speechless. So yeah, I mean, we obviously have talked about there's a project on the 34 as well, which is going titanium intake, which I'm super excited about you as well.
Me as well.
Yeah, and you're doing a lot of work, especially on the bulkhead of that car. We are looking at cage options because like this car is going to be used on track, so it's got a lot of big upgrades. But guys, let's have a look at this. Is there anything you want to add? You're just excited for these projects, aren't you?
Yeah, excited as could be. So yeah, we're just getting down doing what work is needed to be done, which is basically we're making a full exhaust here. So we've got new cup for our welder as well, which we've obviously been out smashing some cash, buying some bits and bobs just to make sure the job's better, and this is what we're coming out with now.
Unbelievable. Honestly, next level. Like, I'm lucky to know some good welders, some very good welders, but yeah, this is well up there, different tier. So yeah, so we're looking at that project, and it's going to be good updates on that car soon. So watch out for that. So on that note as well, if you are wanting some fabrication quotes or anything in that general, please drop Jürgen an email at info@gm-imports.co.uk.
Right guys, so that is Monday. Mondays are the busiest day at GM. So are Tuesdays and so are Wednesdays, but yeah, Monday's a manic day. I've actually had Nathan pop in today to look at his car as well. So thanks Nathan for coming up. I know you travelled 7 hours here and 7 hours back. But yeah, that's a wrap for today guys. And let's go on to Tuesday tomorrow and we'll keep you updated. So cheers for watching.
Good morning everybody, it is Tuesday the 25th of April, another cold morning in the northeast. I feel like I'm always giving weather updates, but today once again it is blooming freezing, -1 degrees on my phone it said, the cars were frosty, and we just keep hoping for the summertime to come, but it's just delayed, and yeah, like I say, another cold morning unfortunately in the northeast. What's going on today? We've got the white Audi R8 Gen 1 V10 on the dyno. That car came in with some running issues. It had been elsewhere to different garages that were unable to diagnose the problem. The boys have done a great job of fixing the issue, and now it's on the dyno for an APR Stage 1 tune. So I'll get some nice footage of that. It is a nice sounding car. So yeah, it's a nice thing that. We've also got Tom's R34 Neu on the 4-poster. That's getting a very nice exhaust fit today, so I'll get some footage of that. The rest of the boys are really busy as usual. Jürgen's just come in, he's getting caught up with his emails. Callum's on his way in. Dale's going to get some cars prepped. We've got quite a few cars leaving this week. So stay tuned and we'll show you what's going on. nice did that sound? Let's see what it made on the dyno. Okay, so that's the Gen 1 R8 now tuned. Now, very impressive figures, again, once again with APR Stage 1. So this naturally aspirated V10 was making a 434 wheel horsepower on its base run, puts it around about 510 brake horsepower, and pretty much bang on manufacturer's claimed figures. After tuning, we're now making 464, so an extra 20 wheel horsepower. Torque is also increased, 351 on the base runs to now 373 at the wheels after tuning. You can see the graph, very nice and smooth, nice and steady, and noticeable gains right throughout the rev range. So very worthwhile tuning one of these. It is naturally aspirated, so you don't get humongous gains, but 20 wheel foot-pounds and 20 wheel horsepower is going to be noticeable on one of these. So very nice car. I'll get some nice footage of it hopefully on the dyno, and I'll get unstrapped. Okay, so I've just popped through to the middle unit. We've got Tom's beautiful R34 Nö, and Haggy's going to tell us a bit more about this exhaust, aren't you, Haggy?
Yeah, indeed, yeah. It's a Tory Extreme TI, obviously it's titanium.
Yeah.
Quite a popular sort of exhaust choice on 34, 32s, like even 33s.
Yeah.
James Chow's is also running the same exact exhaust system. And like
I think Gizmo runs the same exhaust system as well, doesn't he, on his 34 GTT.
Yeah.
He had it slightly modified to fit his car, so that's a nice one as well.
Yeah, but with these, it's the noise that they make. That's where the bread and butter is. Obviously, being titanium, it's a different material.
Yeah.
But on a car like this, it needs like the right exhaust.
Yeah, definitely.
Tom, you now have that.
Yeah.
And I think you'll be over the moon with this one.
We'll get the car fired up and warmed up, and I'll get some footage of it so you can hear the noise, but it is fantastic. I'll give you a little look under the car as well. Some tailpipes, got a burn tip, Haggy?
Yeah. TI-X3. Full pipe as well.
Nice thing. Brand new titanium. And it is a very, very nice bit of kit.
So that is all for today, guys. I hope you like the videos we're doing. Don't forget to subscribe, like the channel, share, comment, good, bad. Okay.